Guess what does really well in that kind of environment? The meme coins. Seeing this SHIB actually down at the bottom end of the range, this would make sense. And actually, there's a W working there, eh? I mean, can you see the W? So isn't that an ironic twist of this conversation today? Avoid the blue chips, buy the shit. Anyway, it makes me laugh, I suppose. Let's see what this thing looks like. Shiba Inu. Yeah. So how ironic. That's a buy. If anything, macro Mondays, this is a really good analogy of why I want to do Mondays to sort of start us off right out of the gate. Just, let's keep it simple, stupid. When I look at something like the stock indexes and I see 3 here, this all means don't do anything. There's nothing to do here right now. You either, ones and twos, hey, I want to hunt a short, maybe I should buy a put option, or fives and sixes, hey, maybe I ought to get in there and start thinking about buying. But threes, don't do anything. And I hate to say it, but here's the entire world. This is all of the world's stock indexes. Most of them are threes with a few fours. That means don't do anything. There's nothing to do here, which kind of sucks. I mean, this is half the reason why I want to teach you guys how to day trade so that you can keep yourself busy while you're waiting for fives and sixes and stuff to start forming in here. I suppose, well, and actually, this is a good contrarian play. I do like this kind of thought because if the big boys, Bitcoin, Solana, all that kind of stuff have to top out, guess what does really well in that kind of environment? The meme coins, the silly names. And so seeing this SHIB actually down at the bottom end of the range, this would make sense. And actually, there's a W working there, eh? I mean, can you see the W? So isn't that an ironic twist of this conversation today? Avoid the blue chips, buy the shit. Anyway, it makes me laugh, I suppose. I have no idea why, but oh, let's see what this thing looks like. Shiba Inu. Yeah. So how ironic. That's a buy. What do you think, guys? And girls, Meg, if somebody came to you in the public and said, "What do you think of this Shiba Inu?" What would you say? Would you say that that's probably worth a nibble down there? I don't know. Call me crazy. I think I might just go buy some of this. Well, I don't know. What letter of the alphabet is this? I think you're just too damn picky, Eddie. Down, up, down. We did not break to new lows. And actually, I really like this candle body lows right there. That clearly stopped the bear. And then back up and hello, we actually went through that high. That's a W. And we also closed, right? There's a closing level there. There's a closing level there. We actually, like if you change this to a line chart, maybe it's not quite, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it closed above there. So isn't that interesting? So, hey, there's a nice special treat for all of you. I certainly was not expecting that, right? So you see how the clothesline level there? Notice how they could not punch it through that low there. Now, obviously no guarantees from the management. You don't know what the fuck's going to happen here. But if you're playing this on momentum, kind of like what Eddie's saying, you want to maybe wait for some sort of bullish turn here before going and pulling the trigger. I don't know, maybe something like that. But from a relative perspective, you're coming in at the bottom end of range, nanny nibbles kind of idea. Totally fine with that. In fact, I hate to say it, but I think I want to go buy some of this. The only question is, how the hell am I going to do this on that crazy ass fucking ledger? So there's a fun little treat for everybody. Yeah, I certainly was not expecting that, right? Because the crypto kids, they've got to be busy. They got to keep the juices flowing while the broader market corrects. So if anything, that makes perfect sense to me. And I'm going to post in the little old lady room here. LOL wants to buy. The question is, how the hell am I going to do it?